put an egg in my shoe.
Who put an egg in your shoe?
The Easter Bunny.
That's
silly.
He's very silly.
He didn't put it in the right way.
No.
What do you got in your basket so far? Just a little bit of candy?
Yeah.
Well, let's look in here.
Let's keep looking.
See if there's some eggs. Let's look around. You gotta find them. You gotta look real close and see if you can find eggs and candies. Look around.
I can't see him.
You gotta walk all over the.
Whoa!
More jelly beans.
That Easter bunny, wow.
That Easter Bunny looked around for putting a lot of stuff here.
Oh. Okay, happy Easter, Joe.
Joe's not feeling good.
Oh.
Easter Bunny don't like Jonah when he's sick.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think he